Today's video review features the Hiwalk outdoor shoes. Go ahead and check them out. So you're getting those really nice looking boots over here, and it reminds me of Timberlake altogether. This one is the Hiwalk Gore-Tex edition, meaning it's waterproof and water resistance all combined. Smells pretty rubbery, a really good smell by the way. And the material over here is pretty decent as well. This is like indestructible. Build like a tank. So let me get the other boot out and to show you all around the next one up over here. So the boots themselves, they're pretty good constructed. As you can see, the glue and everything has been built pretty well and pretty solid all combined. Now on the other side, it is the same exact deal over here. It gives you a lot of resistance, especially if something gonna hit you right there. A lot of protection for you. It is well built. The whole entire shoe looks amazing. I like the way it is, and for the price point you're getting a pretty good deal for those shoes. And you can see over here how it actually looks like all combined. Very close up and personal about this. And the shoe is well made, well stitched, and take a look at this. This is very important by the way. And you can see how much you get grip over here, and that's a lot of grip that you're going to be getting with those shoes. You're also getting a lot of protection over here, which is over 1 inch over here, going all the way for both of them. And this is well made. It has metal instead of other things, and it means that this is not going to rip apart when you're going to be using it, especially if you're going to be hiking or doing some other things. Let's go ahead and put this on feet test and see how it actually performs. So the shoes are pretty comfortable when you wear them, and I want to show you everything about them so you figure out if you should get them for yourself. First off, the bottoms are very slick and they look pretty awesome. And above all, the grips are really good. As you can see here, it keeps it from moving at all, and that's a good thing. Now, next thing about this, there's a lot of ways for you to make yourself mobile. You can see that it does move the feet and gives you full mobility with that. Next thing is walking, very comfortable. The track feels really great. And above all, let's go ahead and test how well the springs for it work. Pretty much the cushion. So let's jump and check it out. And it feels great. When you land on it, you just don't feel the ground, which is the way it should be. Also, it's really hot and humid outside, and it does vent the air pretty well. And I don't feel my feet are not getting sweaty, they're not getting overheated, and that's a good thing. Those shoes are definitely good looking. As you can see, they're really nice black, and the material is pretty good as well. So really nice looking material and style altogether. So you're getting pretty good value in those shoes. You're definitely getting good style and good looks too. There's not much for you to ask. So it really hits it in all the right directions. The shoelaces lace really well. You don't need to double tie it in case you don't want to. And you can actually go ahead and triple this up if you want it to go even higher, and it gives you a lot of support. And above all, there is no break-in period. You put them on and it feels good. It's also true to its size as well. Lots of good stuff to say about those shoes, and they're very good. They don't even make noises as I'm moving my feet in the way some shoes do. Overall, it's a good buy and good value. Definitely recommend it for you to get.